The Honor X9B has officially arrived in Malaysia. This smartphone is built to last, with an indestructible display that carries on the legacy of its predecessor. Not only that, it's jam-packed with awesome upgrades, making it one of the most value-packed mid-range phones out there. Don't miss your chance to experience all that the Honor X9B has to offer. Let's dive into one or two things. Design. When it comes to the Honor X9B, there have been some subtle changes compared to its predecessor, the X9F. This new model is slightly thicker, heavier, and wider, measuring 163.3 millimeters in height, 75.5 millimeters in width, and 7.98 millimeters in depth. It weighs in at 185 grams, hitting that sweet spot enhances both comfort and grip during usage. It's a great phone in my opinion, especially when it comes to weight. On the back, you'll find the Matrix Star Ring, which hosts the triple camera setup. Plus, the lower chin of the phone features the speakers, USB-C port, and SIM tray. And let's not forget about the Sunrise Orange variant, crafted in vegan leather, which adds a touch of class to the phone's aesthetic. It's all about those small details that make the Honor X9 stand out. What do you think? Display. The Honor X9B has such an incredible display. It's got a sleek design with rounded corners, and the 6.78-inch AMOLED screen is so vibrant and visually stunning. The 19.9:9 aspect ratio and 1.07 billion colors make everything look so vibrant and alive. And get this, it has a resolution of 1200 x 2652 pixels, so you'll see every detail perfectly. But wait, there's more! The display is super responsive to your touch, supporting up to 10 touch points, so you can use multiple fingers to do all sorts of cool stuff on the screen. And with a peak brightness of 1200 nits, you'll be able to read and see everything clearly, even in bright sunlight. And guess what? The Honor X9 isn't just beautiful, it's also tough as nails. The frame is really sturdy and dependable, so you can toss it around without worrying. It can take a good smack and still stay unscathed. But just in case, Honor has got your back with a 365-day front and back crack replacement. They're so confident in the durability of this phone. So, what do you think of these amazing features? I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Performance. The Honor X9 is powered by the super impressive Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. It's got a 40% boost in CPU power and a 35% surge in GPU prowess, so you can expect exceptional performance. It can effortlessly handle even the most intensive tasks with ease. And get this, the Honor X9B packs an ultra-large and ultra-smooth configuration of 20 GB, 12 plus 8, RAM, and 256 GB UFS 3.1 storage. That means you'll have plenty of space to store all your content and games, and everything will run seamlessly and immersive on the device. It's like having a powerhouse in your hands. I can only imagine how smooth and enjoyable your experience will be with this fantastic combination of processing power and storage capacity. It's definitely a smartphone that can keep up with your needs. Battery. You won't believe the battery life of the Honor X9B. With its impressive 5,800 mAh capacity, it promises an incredible 3 days of long-lasting power. That means you can go through your day without constantly worrying about finding a charger. It's perfect for all you intensive users out there. And get this, the ultra-high-density battery not only excels in endurance, but also maintains its durability over time. Even after 3 years and 1,000 charge cycles, it still retains about 80% of its capacity. So it'll feel as good as new even after all those years of use. I know how important battery life is, and the Honor X9 definitely delivers on that front. No more running out of juice in the middle of the day. It's a smartphone you can rely on. Camera. The camera on the Honor X9 is absolutely top-notch. Equipped with a cutting-edge 108MP ultra-clear camera, this device captures every detail with precision. The sizable 1:67 sensor and impressive f/1.75 aperture ensure fantastic low-light performance and stunning clarity in your photos. And let me tell you about the versatility of this camera. You've got a 9-in-1 1.92mm pixel size, motion capture capabilities, and additional lenses like the 5MP ultra wide angle and 2MP macro, so you can capture a broad expanse of the world and get up close and personal with your subjects. But that's not all. The Honor X9 also offers a 16MP front camera, so your selfies will be on point every time. With features like the 108MP ultra clear camera, ultra wide angle, and 3x optical level zoom, your photography experience is going to be truly amazing. You'll capture every moment with unparalleled clarity and fascinating detail. Get ready to take some stunning shots, my friend.
I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. Oh, you gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E right in your side. You will never see me coming. You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E right in your side. You will never see me coming. Some sort of pain, you caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear. You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E right in your side. You will never see me coming. You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E right in your side. You will never see me. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel. I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. Oh,